Sitting right here. Mama's teaching the babies how to roost. See if I can zoom in on her. You can see her up there. Might see a head or two pop up. There's the babies in there flying up. See if we can get down here. Now these chickens will make it. The predators won't be able to get them. You can hear one chirping down there. See if we can have to get in there. I don't want to disturb them too much. They're just learning how to fly up to roost. Once they get off the ground, it's harder for the predators to get them. There's a baby there. See, they're calling for their mother, and she'll chirp down. If I walk away, she'll start chirping. You don't want to jeopardize, make any noise while I'm here, because she's already got babies up there. They're protected. She's with them. You can see her right there. The mother hen's doing good. There's some babies already roosting. We're here on Moone's Family Farm. Please subscribe. I just love all this stuff. There's the babies. Now they're going to fly up this brush. I call it brush, but these are actually hazelnuts that the squirrels have been getting. Squirrels eat everything early. Now this is hazelnut here. Now this is next year's fruit. I don't know if you can see that hanging there. That's the flower. Here's a clump of them. Let me back up some, I'm sorry. There's the flower. You can see them hanging. That's next year's fruit. And this is this year's fruit. This is hazelnut. And she's in a hazelnut bush. So she's up there. There's babies with her. And these right here got to learn to fly up. They blend in really well, don't they? Hope everyone's having a beautiful day. Peace.